Previously on Sailing and Fun, we did some smooth and easy sailing on the bay. We shared some modifications that we've done to our McGregor 26X, including a screen door that not only keeps out the sun but also the bugs. Showed how we built a door out of Lexan to let in the light but keep out the heat, and a space where we put our AC. And showed how the captain turned an inefficient galley into a space full of storage.
You couldn't put anything anywhere unless you wanted to set it on the inside of the hull.
Thanks to all our YouTube subscribers. We really appreciate you watching. And a huge thank you to our Vimeo and Patreon supporters. You too can get in on some of the sailing and fun at Vimeo.com, where we have early release videos with deleted scenes and uncensored footage. And on Patreon.com, where we share a little more about our sailing adventures and refitting of the catamaran. Now we'll finish up our tour at Pennekamp, do a little snorkeling, and have a little beachside fun. The little paths along the way. Little picnic areas throughout the park. There's some larger pavilion type ones closer to the marina, and there's bonfire or fire area that you can make a fire back there. It's kind of cute. This is pretty here. Really pretty. They have little paths and little walking areas. I'm headed over to the showers. There's a bathroom that's located close to the marina. Oh, a little waterfall. And then the closest bathroom is 300 yards or so from the marina to take showers. And that's where I'm headed now. We're on the boat and out in the water so much. When we come to the marinas, we really don't do that much exploring. By the time we get back to a marina, we are dog tired. And we just want to eat and sleep. And here's the closest women's shower facility. They have 3 bathrooms there, a couple sinks. They only have 2 showers. This is my 3rd and final shower here before we head south, down the Keys a bit. We're in Key Largo right now. And actually all 3 times I've been in here, no one has been in here, so I've kind of lucked out since there are only 2 showers. It's been no waiting. Getting wet with no waiting. All right, see y'all when I'm clean. Of course, been showering on the boat, and the showers are great. So it's nice to have a land shower and get to use some thick conditioner. Nice dry clean hair before we get it salty again. Whew. See you then. The park offers snorkeling tours at about $30 per person, and that'll get you around an hour and a half of water time. There are plenty of stores around, and even the park sells snorkeling gear, but if you don't buy your own, they will rent it to you for around $10. And if you're not interested in getting wet, or maybe you're touring with your babies, they also offer glass bottom boat tours. A 2.5-hour ride is $24 or less. Of course, with your own boat, there are no time limits.
A lot of tourists and turtles.
Have an adventure beneath the sea.
Okay, what fish do you want to see today?
You said we've seen triggerfish, but I don't really remember seeing a triggerfish, except I have seen them on my plate. They're tasty. But I kind of feel badly about that, so. An eagle ray, I'd like to see a better shot of an eagle ray.
Eagle ray? A spotted eagle ray?
Spotted eagle ray, yeah. I swam with them last time, but it was really murky. I'd like to see fewer boat waves.
And what fish would you not want to see?
white shark, great hammerhead, tiger, no thank you, and plenty of bull shark action. I don't need any more of that. I mean, I do get excited and stuff, but last time that shark was circling me, that freaked me out a little bit.
Well, I just won't tie any chum around your foot anymore. And why do you always swim with a buddy?
I don't know. Half the time I'm not swimming with a buddy because my buddy's hanging out on the boat.
What's an important factor for a swim buddy?
Bring snacks.
That you can swim faster than them.
But there are multiple sharks, so I don't even know if that'll help. It's not cold. Woo! It is salty though.
Boy, the tang really like hanging out over here.
Hate saying goodbye to the reef, but we want to catch this sunset on a secluded sandbar.
Hey, what are you doing up there?
Just hanging out again.
Riding the bow? This is a photo shoot. We're celebrating 3/4 moon.
Captain camera.
3/4 moon.
Always has a camera in his hand. Always wanting to take pictures. All men should make their girls feel like supermodels, and all girls should make their guys feel like superheroes.
I agree with that. Local? And I said no. He goes, you from here? I said no. He goes, so you're not local? I said no. He goes, okay, thanks. Alright, you ready for a sunset cruise?
Yes, sunset sail.
It's going to be a good night for it.
Thanks for staying until the end, and we hope y'all watch next time.